Hello everyone! Start off by drawing a ground on a white sheet of paper, then add the roof to it and make it double-lined. Now add the circular shape in order to make the window, add a square shape underneath it in order to make another window with a sill. Now add a door to it and a pathway leading up to the house. Add a little chimney and add bushes on either side of it, draw the bark of the tree as well, and then afterwards add little fences on the side. Now on the other side, draw the leaves on the tree on top of the bark as well. Add the little detailing to it, and then you may also add some flowers to it. In the side, add a little sun to it, add these curved lines, and then add leaves on either side of it. Now, do this on either side, and then once you reach the bottom of it, add bushes to it, and then add grass as well. Add flowers as well, and color all of this in. Next, we'll start off by drawing this cloud-like shape. Add a face underneath it, ears on either side, add eyes to it, and then a little mouth as well. After this, add a cloud-like shape for the body as well. Add the legs underneath this and color the base in. Now after this, draw another sheep at the back of it, or rather underneath as well, and then add each of the details in as you have done above. You may add a little different facial expression for this one. As you can see, this is a baby one. Add the ground as the background, and then afterwards add the grass at the bottom. Add the sun at the top as well, including the rays, and then once you're done with all of this, add long grass on either side of it. Color all of this in. Next, start off by drawing this picture and then begin to trace it in. To start off with, we have drawn this plant. Now add leaves on either side of this plant and then slowly begin to draw the soil around it. Now draw the boy on the left side, add the detailing of this, and then add the girl on the right side. Now make it look like the girl is pouring the water as well. Go to the right side and then draw a tree to it, add bushes at the back as well, and add flowers onto your tree. Add leaves peeking out from it, add leaves all around as well, add the sun at the top, and color all of this in. Next, start off by drawing this M shape. Underneath it, add 3 lines that are vertical. Now add a window to one side of it, add a little door, and to the other side of it as well, add 2 windows. Add a chimney on the right side, and then afterwards add a fence on the right side as well. Now add a bush at the back, and then draw the bark of a tree on the left side, as well as the rest of the tree. Add bushes here as well, add the sun at the top of it all, add a pathway leading up to this house, add grass all around, and color all of this in. Next, start off by drawing this downward facing V shape and then add the rest of the house underneath it. Add a window that is rectangular in nature along with the sill, and then add the door to it as well. Add a chimney at the top out of which smoke is coming, add a pathway leading up to the door. Color all of this in colors that you desire. Next, start off by drawing this shape and then add 2 sides to it. Now add hair to it and then draw the eyes and then a happy facial expression. Add a bow to the top or ponytail on top of this, and then afterwards add the child's hands as well. Now once you're done with this, you may draw the rest of the child's dress and then continue on and add a pocket in the middle of it all, and then afterwards add the legs underneath it. Now once you're done with this, you may also move to the top and then add balloons to it, which makes it look like the child is holding some balloons. Add the strings underneath it and color this in. Take a crayon and begin to make circular shapes out of yellow, and then around it take a different color and then make these lines all around. You may use 2 colors in order to do so. As you can see, we have used light blue and dark blue as a combination, light pink and red as a combination, and then yellow and orange as well. Underneath all of this, the combinations and multiple stems using a green crayon. Thank you for watching.